Good morning, class. This is Gaurang Kandhawa from the ANI Sports. Today we are going to practice yoga, and our structure will be like this. First, we are going to do warm up, second, asana, third, pranayam, and the fourth, meditation part. Okay. So, our we are going to practice asanas in the progressive manner. So, like today, we are going to practice three asanas. In next class, we are going to practice the progression of these asanas, or what are the next asanas we can practice after these asanas. Okay. So get ready. We are going to start with the warm up. First, 10 jumping jacks on the spot. Ready? Go. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Good job. Now, class, the second exercise is high knee action. So, take your hands in front of your waist. Okay. We are going to jump. We are going to jump and touch our legs like this. Okay. Ready? Fast. Okay. On my count, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 19, 20. Perfect. 20. Good job. Now the waist rotation. Take your hands in front on the waist, 10 feet apart. We are going to rotate our waist clockwise and anti-clockwise. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anti-clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Good job. Now hands rotation forward. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Now alternate arm rotation. Right goes forward, left goes back. Ready? So how to do that? Take your hands in front of your chest and rotate both the hands in one direction. Okay. So like this. Ready? Like this. Okay. So right goes forward, left goes back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Good job. Now, so with these exercises, we have completed our warming up. Now, come to the asanas. So, we are going to practice three asanas today. First asana is Sarvangasana. We need to lie down on the back. Okay, legs together, hands by the side. Legs together, hands by the side. Now, when I say go, lift your legs up and stretch your body up, and your hands on the waist for the support. Ready? Go. Lift your legs, then up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. Come back slowly, slowly. Good job. Now, relax in Shavasana. Open your legs. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. One more time. Sarvangasana. Ready? Go. Lift your legs up 90 degree. Then up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. Relax in Shavasana. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Good job. So class, our second asana is Dhanurasana. So come to the abdomen. Okay. Chin on the ground. Legs together. Hands by the side. When I say go, fold your knees, hold the ankle and lift your whole body up and balance the body on navel. Ready? Go. Fold the knees, hold the ankle and lift your body up. Focus on one point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. Relax in Makrasana. Open the legs from back. Fold your arms in front of your face. Rest your forehead on the arms. Take a deep breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. One more time. Get ready. Legs together. Hands by the side. Go. Fold your knees. Hold the ankle. Lift your body up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. Relax in Makrasana. Fold your arms. Rest your forehead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Good job, class. Get up. Now, we have practiced two asanas. Now, the third asana is Halasana. It's a plug pose, like a farmer using plug. That is the Halasana. Okay. So, lie down. on the back, legs together, hands by the side. Take a deep breath. 1, 2, 3. Very good. When I say go, lift your legs up 90 degree, then take it back over the head. Okay, go. Take 90 degree, then take it back. Try to touch the ground with your toe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. Relax in Shavasana. Open the legs. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. With other angle. Okay. Now, ready? When I say go, lift your legs. Go. 90 degree. Then take it back. Try to touch the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. Come back slowly. Very good. Relax in Shavasana. Open the legs. Open the hands. Take a deep breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Get up. Get up by sideward position. Good job, class. So we have practiced all three asanas. So first asana was Sarvangasana. What are the benefits of Sarvangasana? Let me tell you. So Sarvangasana calm the brain and help relieve in the stress and the depression. Okay. Second, it will stimulate the thyroid and the uh, other glands and the abdominal organs. Like we have so many organs in the abdomen. We have stomach, we have liver, gallbladder, then two kidneys, bladder, etc., etc. We have lots of organs in the abdomen. Uh, so it will stimulate those organs by practicing the Sarvangasana. And we are stretching the shoulder and the neck. Okay, we are strengthening the shoulders and the neck. We are stretching the shoulder and the neck, and we are strengthening the shoulder and the neck, because like we are holding whole body weight on the shoulder, on the neck, so it will strengthen the shoulder and neck. Okay, and it will help in the digestion, and it will reduce the fatigue. If you have a fatigue problem, it will reduce the fatigue. Now the second asana was Dhanurasana. Let me tell you the benefits of the Dhanurasana. By practicing Dhanurasana, we are stretching whole and front body. Okay, whole front body. So like we are stretching our abdomen. We are like balancing the body on the abdomen, the navel region. We are stretching the chest, we are stretching the shoulder, we are stretching the arms, we are stretching the legs. Okay. It will strengthen the back muscle, our back muscle. It will when we are practicing dhanurasana, all the muscles are stretching the of the front body, and all the muscles of back, they are coming together to the for holding the body. Okay. It will improve the posture, your posture, improve the posture. It will stimulate the abdomen organs and the neck. If you have a stiff neck, it will help in the stiff neck also. By practicing the dhanurasana, we are strengthening the shoulders because we are holding our legs with the hands. It improves the cardiovascular system, our heart, our respiratory system. Okay, the cardiovascular system. Now the third asana is halasana. So let me tell you the benefits of halasana. It will calm the brain. It will calm the brain function, stimulate the abdominal organs and the thyroid gland. We have a thyroid gland here in the neck. Okay. And by practicing halasana, we are stretching the full spine, our spine, the backbone from the neck to the pelvic. Okay, the spine and backbone we are stretching, and we are stretching the shoulder also. Okay. And it will reduce the stress and the fatigue. If you have a fatigue problem or stress problem, it will reduce these problem by practicing on regular basis. Not like this, if you are practicing one time it will reduce the stress. You need to practice it on regular basis. Okay. So these three asanas we have practiced. Now the Kapalbhati pranayam and the Brahmari pranayam. Okay, these two pranayams we are going to practice. So first Kapalbhati. So it is the fast pranayam. So when and we need to inhale and exhale, inhale and exhale, inhale and exhale. Okay, continue. So when we are inhaling, our stomach comes out. When we are exhaling, our stomach goes back. Okay, this is the first part. Now in Kapalbhati, do not up your shoulder, down your shoulder. Okay, just steady your body. Only your stomach will move. Okay, that is the second point. Ready? Before starting, every time deep inhale, and after that you need to start. Okay, ready? Deep inhale, relax. You can wipe your face, wipe your nose. Okay, practice it several times. Ready? Deep inhale, relax, wipe your face. Last, ready? Deep inhale, Relax. This is the Kapalbhati pranayam. The benefits of the Kapalbhati pranayam is we are increasing our stamina, we are increasing our lung capacity, we are practicing breathing, inhale and exhale fast. We are throwing all the impurities from our lungs from through the nose in the form of mucus. Okay, and the most important part, if you are practicing Kapalbhati on regular basis, it will warm up your body, it will heat your body. Okay, now the second pranayam is Brahmi pranayam. So how? With the thumbs we are going to close our ears, index finger on the eyebrow, and the rest of the three fingers on the eyes. Okay, ready? We are going to inhale, and with exhale create a sound of hum. Simultaneously vibration between the teeth, upper teeth and lower teeth. Ready? Inhale. 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 Last, inhale. Relax. So this is the Brahmi pranayam. By practicing Brahmi pranayam, we are increasing our hearing strength, as well as the vibration between the teeth will stimulate the brain function. Okay, so this is the pranayam. Now we are going to start the meditation part. So sit straight, hands on your knees, neck should be straight. Relax your shoulder. Inhale and exhale. Close your eyes. Inhale and exhale. Slowly inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Concentrate on your breathing. Inhale and exhale. Focus between the eyebrows. Focus between the eyebrows. Breathing should be normal and continue. Do not hold your breath. Focus between the eyebrows. You will feel little vibration between the eyebrows. You will feel little vibration between the eyebrows. Breathing should be continue. Inhale and exhale. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Now Try to visualize your full body on the forehead. Try to focus your full body on the forehead. Visualize your full body on the forehead. Visualize your body parts, toe, knees, pelvic, abdomen, chest, shoulder, elbow, wrist, neck, eyes, ears, nose, mouth. Visualize these body parts one by one. We are going to chant Om 11 times. Okay, ready? One breath, one breath for one Om. Inhale. Om. Inhale. Om. Inhale. Om. Inhale. 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 Focus between the eyebrows. Inhale. 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 Last. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rub your hands, rub your palms, create a heat between the palms, put it on your eyes, feel the heat in your eyes, Now slowly open your eyes. So class, we have practiced 4-part yoga session. Hope you like it. In the next class, we are going to practice the progression asanas of these asanas. Okay, so stay tuned, stay with Narayana. Thank you so much.